A man buys mangoes at a rate of rupees 5 for 2 mangoes. So let us find the cost price. He buys it at rupees 5 for 2. So 5 mangoes for 2. So that is 2.5 rupees per mango. So for 2 mangoes he'll have to pay 2.5 plus 2.5 5 rupees. So that is the cost price per mango. Next, let us calculate the selling price. He sells them at a rate of rupees 16 for 4 mangoes. So selling price is rupees 16 for 4. So 16 by 4, that is rupees 4. Now let us calculate the profit. Profit is a selling price minus cost price. So per mango he is buying it at 2.5 and selling it at 4. So his profit is SP4 minus 2.5. You will get it as 1.5 per mango. So let us calculate the profit percentage. What is this profit percentage? That is profit 1.5 out of CP, that is 2.5 into 100 gives you profit percentage. So this is equal to 150 by 2.5, that is same as 300 by 5, that is 60 percentage. So profit percentage is 60% profit, option C. What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 4:10? Now I'll draw the clock like this. So you have 12 here, 3 here, 6 and 9 here. You have 5 here and 4 here. Now exactly at 4 o'clock our hand will be here and minute hand will be here. So this is the instant at which the time is exactly 4 o'clock. Now exactly at 4 o'clock the angle between the hour hand and minute hand will be 120 degrees. Now when it is 3 o'clock, our hand will be here and this will be 90 degrees. And between 3 and 4 it is 30 degrees. So at 3 o'clock it will be 90 degrees and then another 30 degrees, 90 plus 30. So this total angle will be 120 degrees. So exactly at 4 o'clock this angle will be 120 degrees. And you can see that the angle is actually decreasing, and every minute it will decrease by 5.5 degrees. So in 1 minute it will decrease by 5.5 degrees, in 2 minutes it will decrease by 11 and so on. And from 4 to 4:10, in 10 minutes the angle will decrease by 10 into 5.5, 55 degrees. So the angle will be 120 minus 55 degrees, you will get it as 65 degrees. So exactly at 4:10 the angle will be 65 degrees. A certain sum of money was invested in simple interest. It amounts to rupees 750 in 5 years. So a certain sum of money was invested in simple interest. So assume that the sum of money is the principal, we'll just take it as P. And assume that the simple interest that you get every year is SI. And it amounts to 750 in 5 years. So in 5 years you will get 5 into SI. SI is the simple interest that you get every year, like that for 5 years. And that total is given as 750. So the amount becomes 750 in 5 years. And to rupees 700 in 4 years. So principal plus 4 years simple interest, that is equal to rupees 700. So these are the two equations. So we'll just subtract this from this. So P minus P, P and P will cancel out. So what we have here is 5 SI minus 4 SI. That is SI is equal to 750 minus 700. You will get it as rupees 50. So the simple interest that you get every year is rupees 50. Now let us calculate the principal. That is, just look at the second equation. Principal plus 4 SI. SI is 50, 4 times 50, that is equal to 700. So P you will get it as 700 minus 4 times 50, that is 200. So that you will get it as 500. So principal should be rupees 500, that is option A. If the letters of the word success are arranged, then the probability that similar letters occur together. That is what we need to find out. So you have the word success. Now 3 S are there. Then U only one of them, and 2 C's are there, and only 1 E. Now probability can be calculated as number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. First of all, let us calculate the total number of outcomes. Now 3 S are there, 1 U, 2 C's and 1 E. So altogether 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 7 alphabets are there, out of which 3 of them are same and 2 of them are same. So these are the total number of outcomes. We are using the formula n factorial by k1 factorial into k2 factorial. That is, n objects are there, out of which k1 of them are same, k2 of them are same. All the n are taken out and arranged in order. How many arrangements are possible? So here altogether 7 alphabets, out of which 3 of them are same, 2 of them are same. So 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. We'll just simplify this. So 7 factorial, that will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 factorial and 3 factorial I'll cancel out. 2 here divides 2 times. So this is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 2. So this is the total number of outcomes. Next, we'll calculate the number of favorable cases such that similar letters occur together. Similar letters occur together means the 3 S should be together. Whenever it is said that the 3 S should be together, bring them together and treat it as one alphabet. Then the 3 S will be together. Then the 2 C's should be together. So bring them together and treat it as one alphabet. So now effectively only 4 alphabets are there because the 3 S are brought together and it's treated as one. 2 C's are together and treated as one. So the 2 C's, they will always be together. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So effectively 4 of them, they can be interchanged in 4 factorial ways. So these are the number of favorable outcomes where the 3 S are together and the 2 C's are together. Now in these 4 factorial arrangements, the 3 S cannot be interchanged among themselves to get different outcomes. Because even if you interchange the 3 S among themselves, you will not get a different outcome. They are all same. Similarly, the 2 C's cannot be interchanged to get a different outcome. So we should not multiply by 3 factorial and 2 factorial here. So 4 factorial is the total number of outcomes where the 3 S are together and the 2 C's are together. So 4 factorial number of favorable cases are there. That is 4 into 3 into 2 out of a total of this. This is the total number of outcomes. That is 7 into 6 into 5 into 2. 3 into 2 I'll cancel with the 6. Here 2 divides 2 times. So that will be 2 by 7 into 5, 35. So 2 by 35. That is the probability that the 3 S are together and the 2 C's are together. That is 2 by 35. That is option B. Person A can complete a 100-meter race in 36 seconds, while B can complete it in 45 seconds. In this race, A beats B by how many meters? So A can complete the whole race in 36 seconds. So we'll just find out the distance covered by B in 36 seconds. So we'll just look at B alone. Now in 45 seconds, B can do the full 100 meters. We'll just divide both these values by 5. So 45 by 5 gives you 9. So in 9 seconds, 100 by 5, 20 meters. Now we need to find out the distance covered by B in 36 seconds. So both these values will multiply by 4. So 9 into 4, 36. So in 36 seconds, 20 into 4, 80 meters. So A can complete the full 100 meters in 36 seconds. And in 36 seconds, B will do 80 meters. Which means that when A does 100 meters, in that much time, B will do 80 meters. Or B will be 20 meters behind. So A will beat B by 20 meters, option A.